वेलकम टू एसएससी सिविल ज्ञान। आज हम लोग बिल्डिंग मटेरियल पार्ट 2 डिस्कस करेंगे। इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, डेप्थ और हाइट ऑफ एन आर्क इज परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस बिटवीन इंट्रोड एंड एक्सट्रोड। फ्लैट रूफ इज कंसिडर्ड वेयर रेनफॉल इज लेस एंड टेम्परेचर इज हाई। पिच और स्लोप रूफ आर suitable for coastal region. Maximum number of steps generally restricted to 12. Sum of trade and rise between 400 to 450 mm. Maximum width of landing should be equal to width of a staircase. In good staircase, maximum 40 degree, minimum pitched 25 degree. Dog leg stair is half turn staircase. Horizontal projection is a horizontal projection at head and sill is called horn. Revolving door is suitable for entrance in air conditioned building. Attrition test determine rate of wear and stone. Efflorescence, formation of white patches on the brick due to presence of alkalis. Vanadium test, vanadium steel used in the manufacturing of axle and spring. Neoprene is suitable for bearing of bricks. To produce low heat cement, it is necessary to reduce C3A because C3A produce maximum heat of hydration. Timber can made for fire resistance by sourceable process. Cerussite is derived from coal and wood. Excess of sulfur in steel result in a red stoneness. Distemper is used to coat the interior surface not exposed to weather. Putty is made up of powder, chalk and raw linseed oil. Limit of proportionality is applied more in the cast of steel, mild steel. Compaction factor test determine workability. The split tensile strength 10 to 15%. The approximate ratio between strength of cement and concrete 7 to 28 days 2/3. Moisture content of timber is 12%. 0.85 times amount of water used for initial setting time. 0.72 for soundness test. Lime powder. Lime mortar is generally made of hydraulic lime. Texture of sandstone is granularly crystalline. Seasoning of timber required remove sap from timber. Ratio of Young modulus of high tensile steel to that of mild steel is about 1. Polyvinyl chloride is a thermoplastic material. Key enclosure is related to brick masonry. High alumina in cement produced by limestone and bauxite. Optimum number of revolution required for concrete mix is 20. Manganese is still used in the manufacturing of rails. Gauge mortar is obtained by adding sand and lime. 1300 to 1500 temperature range for cement, whereas brick generally 1200 degree centigrade. Before testing the time of cement, one should be test of consistency. Superplasticizer in cement paste is distempers of particles removed by air bubbles to retard setting. Surkhi is added to lime mortar to impart hydraulicity. Increase in fineness cement result in increase in development of strength, leads to higher shrinkage. The purpose of frog to form key joint between mortar and brick. Brick are burnt temperature 900 to 1200 degree centigrade. Bleeding, separation of water or water cement mixture from concrete. Segregation, separation of aggregate from concrete. Workability of concrete directly proportional to grading of aggregate. Workability of concrete inversely proportional to time of transit. Bleeding, separation of water or water cement mixture from concrete. Approximate value for shrinkage strain 0.0003. Air entrained in concrete increase workability. Strength of concrete increase with increase in fineness of cement. Characteristic strength of concrete given by 0.7 under root FCK. Compressive strength of 100 mm cube more compared to 15 mm cube. सिंपल है, 10 mm क्यूब कास्ट करते हैं और वही 15 mm का क्यूब कास्ट करते हैं, तो जितना छोटा होगा उतना ये स्ट्रेंथ ज़्यादा होगा. कॉमनली वी नो मॉडुलस ऑफ इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ कंक्रीट 5700 अंडर रूट FCK. इंक्रीज इन मॉइस्चर कंटेंट in concrete reduced by strength of concrete. Purpose of accelerator is a cause early setting and hardening. Gypsum most commonly used admixture. Percentage of void cement approximately 40%. Strength of concrete after 1 year as compared to 28 days is 20 to 25% more. Modulus of rupture of concrete is measured of flexural tensile strength. In order to obtain best workability, rounded shape aggregate use. सिंपल है, जैसे जैसे हम लोग राउंडेड एग्रीगेट यूज करते हैं कंक्रीट बनाने में, वैसे ईजिली होता है उसको वर्क करने में. Bulking of sand maximum if moisture content is 4%. Finer grading affect only strength of development of strength. Poisson ratio increase with richer mix. 1% void in concrete reduce strength by 5%. Fineness modulus of fine aggregate is 2.2 3.5. Factor of safety of steel lower than concrete. For a reinforced concrete section, shape of shear stress diagram is parabolic above neutral axis, rectangular below neutral axis. This is axis. Parabolic is neutral axis, rectangular below neutral axis. This is rectangular and above neutral axis it is parabola. For a reinforced concrete section, the shape of shear stress diagram is parabolic above neutral axis, rectangular below neutral axis. Modulus of elasticity of steel as per 456 is 1978 200 किलो न्यूटन पर mm square. M15 grade concrete used in reinforced concrete. Heavily reinforced section workability concrete is above 0.92. Heavily reinforced section workability of concrete is above 0.92. In case of hand mixing, extra 10% cement is used. For wall column vertical faces, member of foam work removed after 1 to 2 days. According to IS 456-9078, column or stud is a member whose effective length is greater than 3 times least lateral dimension. Slenderness ratio of short column is less than 12. Ratio of diameter of reinforcement bar and slab thickness is 1/8. According to IS 456-9078, maximum reinforced for column 6%, 4% column in beam and 0.12% for slab. Simple column COLUMN. The number of word 1 2 3 4 5 6, so 6%. Beam BEAM, beam maximum number of words 1 2 3 4, so 4%. Simple. Maximum distance between expansion joint is 45 mm, 45 meter. Sorry. Maximum distance between expansion joint is 45 meter. Minimum thickness of load bearing RCC wall should be 100 mm. One way slab ratio of long span to shorter span greater than 2. Two-way slab ratio of longer to shorter span less than 2. Modulus ratio is equal to M equal to 280 by 3 sigma CBC. The purpose of providing reinforcement bar to resist bond stress. The purpose of providing reinforcement bar to resist bond stress. 12 mm minimum diameter of longitudinal bar. This is column section top view. This is reinforcement which is provided. Rectangular or square minimum number of bar 4. सर्कुलर के लिए 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. लोड कैरिंग कैपेसिटी ऑफ हेलिकल reinforcement column as compared to tie column is 5% more. 5% more. Counter four type retaining wall is suitable for height beyond 6 meter. T-shaped retaining wall mainly consists of 3 cantilevers. While designing the pile of column, one end fixed, other is hinged. The design yield test in steel according to IS 456 1978 equal to 0.87 FC 0.7 FY. Sorry. The design yield stress of steel corresponding to IS 456 1978 is 0.87 FY. According to IS 456 1978, maximum compressive stress in concrete is taken 0.45 FCK. Partially safety factor for steel 1.15, 1.5 for concrete, 0.0035 is maximum strain. The creep strain is caused due to dead load only. The creep strain caused only due to dead load. The effect of creep modular is the ratio to increase it. A beam curve in plane designed for bending moment, shear and torsion. Thanks for watching. अगर ये वीडियो आपको लिए अच्छा लगता है तो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू। जय हिंद, जय भारत।